Alright guys, what's up and welcome back to the vlog. So, my headlights are a little bit hazy. So about a year ago, I looked up on the internet, like what's the best haze removal, headlight restoring kit available. And the Sylvania headlight restore kit was actually rated by Popular Mechanics to be the best kit. So that's what I bought. It had a lifetime warranty, lifetime guarantee. So I did the whole 9 yards, followed the directions to the T. I sanded the headlights, did the whole polish thing, wet sand, and then I added the clear coat that they provide. But after about 3 months, the headlights actually got hazy again. As you guys can see here. So what I do now is I use a polish. So I know you guys have probably seen or heard the toothpaste method. It's a cheap, easy way to kind of polish up the headlights, and I've done it before. I've seen it done plenty of times online. This is actually what I've been using. It's a polishing compound. It's called Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0, and I actually came onto this. It removes scratches, light scratches from your paint, and that's what I originally was using it for. And I said maybe it can polish up my headlights, so I just gave it a try one time. It actually works really, really well for what it is and the amount of time that you put into it, which is very, very short. But the problem with the polish is that after maybe a month, it starts to haze up again. So I bought this stuff. My friend Josh has been using it on clients' headlights. What this is it's a Chemical Guys Jet Seal. This is supposed to, after you've polished it, seal the final product, seal the headlight. And it lasts for a few months, and it's supposed to be pretty good. So my friend Josh, I'll put his Instagram down here. If you live here in San Diego, he does like proper headlight restores, and then he seals with this. So if you guys are here in San Diego and you want it to be professionally done, hit Josh up. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna use the polish, and then I'm gonna use this jet seal, and we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, so I'm not a professional, so I'm just going to do this by hand. Just going to do a lot of rubbing. I'm going to put the rubbing compound on here, on this rag, and then I'm just going to rub it onto my headlights. Just going to be a lot of rubbing. Like Paula Deen likes to say, just rub your meat. We're going to rub our headlights today.
You know, I'm always constantly saying, rub your meat, rub your meat, rub your meat.
So I'm just going to put a little bit of this compound on the microfiber here. Yeah, that's probably enough to start. Sorry if it's out of focus. So I just put a little bit of compound on here. I'll dab it on. And this compound is very cheap. Yeah, just dab on the compound, and then you can start to work it in. Just rub it in. Rub, rub, rub.
Rub your meat. Rub your meat.
And polish as you go. Alright guys, yeah, so you just want to rub the compound and rub it with a little bit of gentle force, a little bit of gentle pressure. And if it dries up, you can just add a little more compound, and it should start to wipe the haze away. But yeah, toothpaste is pretty cheap, and it's like something you have around the house. But honestly, if you go and buy this Meguiar stuff, it's like $8 for this little tube. You can get them at AutoZone, you can get them at Walmart, you can get them on Amazon. I've been using this bottle for over a year, so I'm just gonna keep polishing here. So yeah, if you have one of those like polisher machines, those are even better, but I don't. So you can just do it with a little elbow grease and a rag or a microfiber. So yeah, just rub really good with some pressure over wherever it's hazy. All right, there you go. It's pretty clear now. It's like really shiny, really nice. Yeah, that's only about 2 minutes of rubbing. So you guys can kind of see the difference. That's what the other side looks like. I hope the haze is coming through. And this side actually isn't as bad as the other one when I started. Yeah, just that haziness. It's really annoying. Makes the rest of the car look like total crap. But when they're nice and shiny, oh man, looks great. So I'll use that sealer, that jet seal, after I've done the other side. And I've never used this jet seal before, so this will be a first for me. Okay, like I said, I've never used this jet seal before, so I'm just reading the instructions. So it says shake well. Okay. Clean surface before application. surface is clean now. Apply a thin layer of jet seal by hand or machine. Allow jet seal to set for 20 minutes. Buff to a high gloss using a premium microfiber towel. Do not wash vehicle for 12 hours to let the jet seal completely bond to the surface. Then your surface is completely protected after those steps. Okay, so I'm gonna use the microfiber to just by hand apply a very thin layer of this, and then I gotta let that layer sit for 20 minutes. All right. Cap is stuck. The inner cap that's stuck in there. So this stuff is a little bit expensive, but I guess you only need to use a very little amount of it. So this little bottle should last a long time. They also have bigger bottles. So I'm gonna. Alright, so I put a thin layer on both the headlights. I made sure to also get close to the edges, just because I find that the edges actually haze a lot. I try not to get too much on the paint. The jet seal is designed actually for sealing paint, so it shouldn't be harmful if you get it on the paint, but it's the chemical's on there, the jet seal's on there, so I'm going to wait 20 minutes and then we'll come back, buff it out, and hopefully it'll stay sparkly new.
20 minutes later.
Okay, 20 minutes later. It's been 20 minutes, so we're gonna polish off the jet seal and see how it looks. Let's see. So I'm just gonna give it a nice polish off here. Looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than when we started. Yeah, so I guess now just time will tell if this product's gonna work. So yeah, the jet seal is actually pretty expensive. It's like 20 bucks for that little bottle, but the Meguiar stuff is only like $8 a bottle. Maybe a little bit more expensive than your toothpaste, but works a hell of a lot better. The jet seal, if it works, I think it's worth it so that you're not out here every few weeks just polishing. So hopefully that investment turns out good. I'll update this vlog, or maybe on my Instagram I'll just do a little blurb on an update on the headlights. So if you want the update on the headlights, follow me on Instagram. It's @boost_bot. And if this video helped you out, give it a little thumbs up, and that really does help a lot. And subscribe to the channel. Alright, thanks guys. Peace.